This is Dr. Divya. Today's topic is host pathogen interaction. So basically, what is a host pathogen interaction? Disease is a dysfunction of normal physiological processes in plants caused by microorganism or an abiotic factor. So a pathogen that causes disease is termed virulent. A pathogen that doesn't cause disease is termed avirulent. So types of pathogen based on effects: necrotrophy, plant cells are killed; pyotrophy, plant cells remain alive; hemibiotrophy, plant cells initially alive and killed later. So this diagram showed like pathogen attacks and interact with elicitor, and that receptor attached with our gene product. That interactions when activated of gene of hypersensitive responses, phytoalexin biosynthesis, lignin biosynthesis, salicylic acid biosynthesis of hydrolytic enzymes that create systematic acquired resistance. So types of pathogens: bacteria enter through wounds and stomata, live between plant cells. Fungi, filamentous growth with specialized structures of penetrations feeding in cells, can penetrate directly into plant and move intracellularly through cells. Viruses, nucleic acid, most of the RNA mostly present encapsulated in a protein coated spread by plasmodesmata. So classes of plant immune responses: basal responses like transcriptions of gene response to PMP recognition; hypersensitive responses, apoptosis of cells of the sites of infections; systematic acquired immune, like the entire plant becomes resistant to infection; jasmonic acid ethylene pathway, the entire plant and neighboring plant develop resistance to herbivores. Then last one is known host immunity. So induced defenses: what is induced defenses? That creates with programmed cell death, PCD, and induced structural barriers, phytoalexins, pathogenesis related protein, PR protein, post transcriptional gene silencing. Steps in plant pathogen interactions: first one is recognition, depends on generation of elicitors by the pathogen. Transduction: signal transduction at the cellular level refers to the movement of signals. First one is in signal transductions, like first one is perception, is a surface level phenomena in which elicitor from the pathogen are recognized by host receptor. Second one is signaling, and last one is response. So this diagram shows like these are type the different protein domain: LR, leucine rich repeats; TIR, tall interleukin first resistance domain; and BS, nucleotide binding sites. These ones: serine threonine kinase, LZ, leucine jeeper, transmembrane spanning domain. Perception: first one, perception means how pathogen and host recognize each other. It may take place directly or indirectly. After evaluation of numerous physiological, biochemical and genetic experiments, different models of have gained importance as the basis for all models in the gene for gene relations between host and pathogen for triggering specific resistance. So these are the two models: direct interaction models and indirect interaction model. Gene for gene hypothesis. Then Floor showed correlation between inheritance of pathogenicity and resistance to linseed rust caused by Melospora linea, which is now commonly known as gene for gene hypothesis. So that for each gene conditioning rust reactions in the host, there is a specific gene conditioning pathogenicity in the parasite. So direct interactions model, 4 model have been proposed: the elicitor receptor, the dimer model, ion channel, the suppressor receptor model. And the elicitor receptor, first one, this hypothesis involves the two gene group system of plant genes, where one gene acts as a sensor within the signal sensor reactions that help in pathogen recognition. Second group of several genes that express the plant defense reactions. However, this model doesn't explain how the recognition by the plant turns on expression of the gene dense. Second, this one is a drawback, like the elicitor receptor models specify neither the structure of the corresponding receptors of the how binding they define the nature and mechanism of action of the effectors. So second one is suppressor receptor model was extended by Bushnell and Royal. It is based on the fact that all plants are susceptible to attack any pathogen, and hence plant exhibit basic compatibility. However, basic compatibility is counteracted by this journal elicitor produced by all pathogens, which releases unspecific basis resistance. So in order to colonize a particular plant, the homologous pathogen has to produce specific suppressor to block the action of general elicitor. Just like the pathogen blocks the secondary its own elicitor of a basic resistance, so it is assumed that the active basic resistance is triggered unspecifically by general acting elicitor produced by all pathogen is likewise recognition by receptors. So these are pathogens. The rest specific suppression block all the reaction like reactive oxygen species, signal transduction and gene expression, and blocking all the actions like phytoalexin production, cell wall reinforcement, production of pathogenesis related protein, and then last one is systematic acquired response. All the response is blocked through suppressor. So pathogen becomes compatible with the certain plant species becomes of mutations. So pathogen reproduces specific suppressor that prevents its general elicitor from acting on plant receptors. So in short, basic resistance would be prevented by specific suppressor produced by pathogens, thus allowing basic compatibility. So the indirect models of interactions, lack of evidence for a direct interactions indicated the involvement was some other type of interaction between the R gene and AVR gene. So product, and this lead to the concept of indirect interactions model leading to resistance. Guard hypothesis. This model proposed the R protein interacts and guard protein known as the GARDI, which is the target of the AVR protein. So when it detects interference with the GARDI protein, it activates resistance. The diagram shows the mechanism. So in aerobiosis, RPM first is peripheral plasma membrane and BLRR protein. It activated by the either AVR RPM, the AVRB effector proteins. So it is activated by either the AVR RPE first and the AVRB effector protein. So this is the conclusion of our topic. The interactions between plant and pathogen are specific, complex and dynamic. Signals for activations of various defenses initiate in the responses to recognition. So the outcome of interactions depend on initial sensing of the other organism by exchange of like molecular signaling cascade and like modified gene expression. So recognition is the first step by the which responses is generated, which is involved in defense signal transduction.